Hi everybody, welcome back to Arts and Crafts with Margarita and Griselda. It's me, Margarita again. Hello. Today we're going to be making a picture frame. So what you will need to do this are popsicle sticks, a picture. This is the picture I chose. You can choose a picture of yourself, a picture with you and your family, a drawing you made, or whatever you want. You're going to need a little piece of string or magnets, depending on what you want, how you want to hang it, and some glue as well. So to start, it also depends on how big your picture is. For this picture I have here, I measured my picture and I will be needing 6 popsicle sticks, and I have decorated them very simply with some markers, and I've just made some figures in them. So I have my popsicle sticks here, I have my picture, and I have my glue. So I will paste the popsicle sticks around the picture to create a frame. And you can decorate the popsicle sticks with whatever material you want as well. You can use paint, you can use glitter, you can use Play-Doh, whatever you want. Okay, now let's do the other ones. There we go. And here it is, our picture frame. Now, if you want to hang it on your wall, then you can use a little piece of string and using some tape it on the back of your picture like so. I'll show you. Just go like this. And let's use a little bit more tape. Like this. You see? And then you just put a nail on your wall and you can hang it like this. Or you can put some magnets on the back of your picture and you can put it on your refrigerator. So this is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you next time. Bye bye.